This is the first step in installing the tensioners. This tensioner is a 6304. So for our first step, you see how you got your central ring, your tension spring, and you got a chain with a hook on the end. The hook is on the very end link for the first step of installation. So we're just going to hook it around, distribute it as evenly as we can. All right, next step, we got to get more tension on here. So for this, we're going to use a lever load binder, hook it onto the side, then on to the chain coming from the tension spring. Going to do this. So we got a bit more room, then we're going to move this hook from the end link to, for this one, we're going to put it on the fourth link in. And then we repeat the process for all of them. Again, all tight, ready to go.